Can you really change your body in just 7 days without going to the gym? I tried a beginner workout at home for 1 week. No equipment, no excuses. And honestly, I didn't expect these results. Stick till the end, because my day 1 and day 7 results are completely different. 1. Squats. Let's start with squats, because this exercise honestly became the foundation of my entire 7-day workout. On day 1, I thought squats would be easy, but I was completely wrong. The moment I started going down, I realized how weak my legs actually were. My balance was off, my knees were shaking, and after just a few reps, I felt tired. But instead of quitting, I slowed down and focused on doing it properly. I kept my feet shoulder-width apart, pushed my hips back like I was sitting on a chair, and made sure my back stayed straight. As the days went on, something started to change. By day 3, I wasn't struggling as much. By day 5, I could actually feel strength building in my thighs and glutes. And by day 7, I felt more stable, more confident, and more in control of my body. Squats don't just work your legs, they also engage your core and improve overall balance. I did 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets every day, and even though it was challenging, it gave me the biggest feeling of progress. If you're starting out, don't rush. Even doing a few correct squats is better than doing many with bad form. Trust me, this one exercise alone can make a huge difference if you stay consistent. 2. Plank. The plank was probably the most frustrating exercise for me at the beginning, but also the most rewarding. On day 1, I couldn't even hold it for 20 seconds. My arms were shaking, my core felt weak, and I kept wanting to drop to the floor. It wasn't just physical, it was mental too. I had to remind myself to stay strong and keep going, even if it was just for a few more seconds. The key thing I learned was maintaining proper form, keeping my body in a straight line, not letting my hips drop, and engaging my core the entire time. By day 4, I noticed something surprising. I wasn't quitting as quickly, my body was adapting, and by day 7 I could hold the plank for almost double the time I started with. That felt like a huge win. Planks are amazing because they don't just target your abs, they strengthen your entire body, including your shoulders and back. I did 3 rounds every day, starting with 15 to 20 seconds and gradually increasing. If you're a beginner, don't feel bad if you struggle at first. That's completely normal. What matters is pushing yourself just a little more each day. This exercise really taught me patience and consistency. 3. Glute bridge. The glute bridge was one of those exercises that looked easy, but once I started doing it properly, I realized how effective it actually is. On day 1, I didn't feel much at first, but after a few repetitions, I could feel a strong burn in my glutes and lower back. To do it, I lay on my back with my knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Then I slowly lifted my hips upward, squeezing my glutes at the top before lowering back down. The key here is control, not rushing through the movement. As the days went on, I started to feel more connected to the exercise. By day 5, I noticed better activation in my glutes, and my lower back felt more supported. By day 7, the movement felt smoother and stronger. I did 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets daily, and I even started holding the top position for a few seconds to increase the intensity. This exercise is perfect for beginners because it's low impact but still very effective. If you sit a lot during the day, this is especially important because it helps activate muscles that are usually inactive. It might look simple, but over time, it really builds strength and stability. 4. Knee push-ups. Knee push-ups were my introduction to upper body training, and honestly, they were tougher than I expected. On day 1, I could barely complete a few reps without feeling completely exhausted. My arms felt weak, and I struggled to keep my body straight. Instead of getting discouraged, I focused on improving slowly. I placed my knees on the floor, kept my hands shoulder-width apart, and lowered my body in a controlled way. Even if I could only do 4 or 5 reps, I made sure they were done properly. By day 4, I started noticing small improvements. My arms didn't feel as shaky, and I could do a few more reps without stopping. By day 7, I felt a clear difference in my strength and confidence. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and arms, making it perfect for beginners who aren't ready for full push-ups yet. I did around 8 to 10 reps for 3 sets daily. If you're starting out, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone begins somewhere. What matters is that you're improving step by step, and this exercise really showed me that progress comes with patience. 5. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks became my go-to exercise whenever I wanted to get my heart rate up quickly. On day 1, I underestimated how tiring they could be. After just 20 to 30 seconds, I was already out of breath and needed a break. But instead of stopping completely, I slowed down and kept moving. That's something I learned during this journey. You don't have to go fast, you just have to keep going. By day 3, my stamina started improving. I wasn't stopping as often, and my breathing became more controlled. By day 7, I could do longer rounds without feeling completely exhausted. Jumping jacks are great because they combine cardio with full-body movement. They help burn calories, improve coordination, and increase energy levels. I did 30 seconds for 3 rounds each day. If jumping feels too hard, you can always do a low-impact version by stepping side to side instead. The goal is not perfection, it's consistency. And this exercise really helped me feel more active and energized throughout the week. 6. Lunges. Lunges were one of the most challenging exercises for me, not because they were too intense, but because they really tested my balance. On day 1, I kept wobbling and losing control every time I stepped forward. It felt awkward and, honestly, a bit frustrating. But instead of rushing through it, I slowed everything down. I focused on stepping forward carefully, bending both knees, and keeping my upper body straight. My goal wasn't speed, it was control. After a few reps, I started to feel the burn in my thighs and glutes, which told me I was doing it right. By day 3, my balance started improving. I wasn't wobbling as much, and I felt more stable with each step. By day 7, lunges actually felt smoother and more natural. That was a big confidence boost. This exercise is amazing because it works each leg individually and helps fix imbalances in your body. I did 10 reps on each leg for 3 sets. If you're a beginner, don't worry if you struggle at first. That's completely normal. Just take your time, stay focused, and you'll see improvement faster than you expect. 7. High knees. High knees were one of the most intense parts of my routine. The first time I tried them on day 1, I thought I could go fast right away, but I quickly ran out of energy. My breathing got heavy, and I had to stop within seconds. That's when I realized something important. It's not about going all out from the start, it's about pacing yourself. So I slowed it down, lifted my knees one at a time, and gradually built up speed. By day 4, I noticed a big difference. I could go longer without stopping, and my breathing felt more controlled. By day 7, I actually felt energized instead of exhausted after doing them. High knees are great for burning calories and improving cardiovascular fitness. They also help with coordination and agility. I did 20 to 30 seconds for 3 rounds daily. If it feels too hard, you can start by marching in place and slowly increase your intensity. Progress takes time, and this exercise really showed me how quickly your stamina can improve if you stay consistent. 8. Arm circles. At first, I didn't take arm circles seriously. They looked too easy to make a difference. But once I started doing them properly, I realized how effective they actually are, especially for beginners. On day 1, I started with small circles, moving my arms forward. After about 20 seconds, I felt a surprising burn in my shoulders. Then I switched directions, and it felt even more challenging. The key is to keep your arms extended and move slowly with control. It's not about speed, it's about maintaining tension in your muscles. By day 5, I noticed my arms felt slightly stronger and less tired during other exercises. By day 7, I could go longer without feeling that intense burn. This exercise is perfect if you want to tone your arms without using weights. I did 20 to 30 seconds forward and backward for 3 rounds. It's simple, but it works. And sometimes, the simplest exercises are the ones that help you stay consistent. 9. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers were definitely one of the hardest exercises in my entire 7-day challenge. On day 1, I struggled a lot. My arms got tired, my core felt weak, and I couldn't keep a steady rhythm. But instead of quitting, I slowed everything down. I focused on bringing one knee forward at a time instead of rushing. That made it more manageable and helped me maintain proper form. By day 3, I started to feel more comfortable in the position. My core was engaging better and my movements felt more controlled. By day 7, I could go faster and last longer without stopping. This exercise is powerful because it combines cardio with strength training. It targets your core, arms, and legs all at once. I did 20 seconds for 3 rounds daily. If you're a beginner, don't worry about speed. Even slow mountain climbers are effective. What matters is consistency and effort. 10. Full body stretching. Stretching was something I almost skipped at the beginning, but I'm really glad I didn't. After my first workout on day 1, my body felt stiff and sore. That's when I realized how important stretching is. I started adding a simple full body stretching routine at the end of each session. I stretched my legs, arms, back, and shoulders, holding each position for a few seconds. It felt relaxing, but also very necessary. By day 4, I noticed I wasn't as sore as before. My body felt more flexible, and I could move more comfortably during exercises. By day 7, stretching became my favorite part of the routine. It felt like a reward after all the hard work. Stretching helps prevent injuries, improve flexibility, and relax your muscles. I spent about 5 minutes on it every day. If you're starting your fitness journey, don't skip this step. It might not feel as intense as other exercises, but it plays a huge role in your overall progress. So, after 7 days, did I see results? Yes, not a complete transformation, but I felt stronger, more active, and more confident. My stamina improved, my body felt lighter, and most importantly, I built consistency. If you're a beginner, don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, stay consistent, and results will come. If you want to see my 14-day challenge or a full weight loss plan at home, make sure to subscribe and watch the next video on your screen right now. And comment below, should I try this for 30 days?